welcome back to my channel. Today's chicken recipe is super delicious. I hope you will like it. If you like my recipes, please comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for the marination. Grind it into a smooth paste. So these are 2 leg pieces. I have washed well and given slits so that all the flavors goes through. So to that we'll add salt and half lime juice and also a tablespoon of vinegar. So now let's add our paste which we have prepared earlier and give it a good mix. Spread the paste well all over the chicken and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. So let's add ghee or butter and fry the chicken for 10 minutes on either side on a medium flame. So now it's time to add the leftover masala along with a little bit of water. Close the lid and let it cook for another 15 minutes on a medium flame until the chicken is well cooked. Check for the salt if needed. Here we go, our chicken is ready. Please do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how did you like my recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.